Hi guys, so today we're going to be making slime. So I'm going to put this one away, put it in the Ziploc bag. Wait, it's going to be hard. Oh, I got an idea. Okay, I don't know if you can hear I don't know if you can hear it, but it's ASMR. Putting it in. Okay, so first, the ingredients are, you could put food coloring, which I'm going to be putting in. So yeah. And I'm going to use shaving foam, I think. And then activator, which is what is this one? This is contact solution, which I use for activator, and our glues. So today I'm going to be making water slime. I don't know if it's going to work, but yeah. So first we got our washable clear glue from Elmer's. And then we're gonna just, if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna put the white one. There wasn't the colored one, so yeah. I'm gonna put a lot. I have barely any of these left, but yeah. Okay, then I'm gonna close it. Then we're gonna add our food coloring. So we're gonna be using, I don't know what color to use. Let's just use blue, like an ocean. Now open it. Then we're gonna add 2 drops, because this is so dark. 1, 2. Smiley face. Not a smiley face, but just the eyes. Then we're gonna close it. Then we're gonna use the activator. But first we're gonna actually mix it. I don't know what, I'm gonna just use a colored pencil that I have and mix it. I hope this doesn't stain my desk. Hopefully. ASMR. We're mixing it. Matches the color. It's like a lighter, but in the camera it's dark. Oh, we're gonna mix this side. Gonna fill up all of the. Okay, now it's like this. We're gonna mix it with our activator. Gonna kind of do more than, because I'm gonna kind of add just a little bit of foam because it helps it activate a bit. Because I don't like it to be. I want it to be water slime-ish. I do know what I'm doing because I made this slime right here. Let's like dish soap. Oh, heart. Just gonna keep on mixing. Sounds so ugh, I don't like the sound. Gonna mix it this way. ASMR aggressive noise. Add a lot of this. I don't know if it'll help, but you know what? Since it won't work, I'm gonna just add a little bit of this. And then start mixing it with my hands. Just a little, like a glob. Good. And then we'll mix. I'll make it light. A little bit lighter. See? It's starting to activate. We add some of this. I wanted to make it like a water slime-ish, but like I don't know how to make water slime. So if you know how to do it, teach me. I don't want to waste all my glue, because these are the mini ones. Okay, we're gonna close that up. Gonna mix. I feel like these ones work more than the clear ones. Mix. See? It's globby. Add this. It's like a potion. By the way, there's still more. You hear that? Okay, mix it. I'm gonna mix it with my hands. I'm gonna place this one over here so we have space. Oh, look at this baby blue. It's so pretty. It's better than the dark one. Well, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Did it just grow? Look. Growing. Look at dark. Well, hope it doesn't stain my desk. Hope. Ooh, it's dark. Oh, never mind. It's like dark at first, but like it's not. I'm gonna add a lot of activator. Look how goopy it is. Don't worry, it will change if I add a lot of this. I'm gonna shake it. Oh, oops. Shake it. I'm gonna shake it out of the camera because it's really. Okay, that's enough. I think it's enough. I don't think so. But that should be good enough to make it a little bit lighter and more slimy-ish. Well, look at this. You definitely need a lot of activator and shaving cream. Okay. That should be good enough. Now, I'm going to put that on the side where I keep all of them. Right there. I'm going to start mixing it. My hand's going to be so tired after this. Look at this light blue. I made pink, which is in this. Sure, it's like kind of brownish, but pink. It's actually pink. And then I made a dark green. Oh, oopsies. I'm gonna clean that. And then I'm making blue. It's my third slime I'm making for the week. It's already like Tuesday, and I'm already making so much slime. Okay, you can get this from Amazon, and then these from grocery stores, Walmart, Target, and then same with this one. You can find these at the grocery shop. And then this was from the grocery shop, which is Mariano's. So yeah. And then I'm gonna add more to make it more activated. See? Look at that. Gonna shake it. Oh, why does it always go on here? What's that noise? I make so much slime like after school. It's so fun. I like this baby blue. It's so nice. Like the sky, but lighter. The sky's lighter, not the slime. Mix it. Ooh, it's good. Just need a lot of this. By the way, there's still more. It's just, I don't know what's acting like that. Mix it with activator. Okay, I'm gonna buy some more activator. I'm gonna have to hold down the table. Okay, there. Squatting now. If it gets a little hard to mix, that means it's working. By the way, I only use this activator. You can use laundry detergent. Gain. That one also works, I think. I never tried that one before. Or Tide. I don't know. I always seen people mix slime with Tide or Gain. So yeah. And we're gonna keep on mixing. Hold on the table. Ooh. Oops. Oops. It's so hard to mix now. Yeah, I think the activator's working. It's gonna become a slime tutorial. Okay, I think we can start mixing. Yeah, it'll soon harden. Just sometimes you need to add a little bit more. I'll also teach how to clean the activator after. It's really easy. I've made slime before. That was like such a long time ago. And then I got out my shirt on accident. There. So satisfying. Don't go close to slime because sometimes it'll stick to your clothes. So yeah. It happened to me before and it was bad. But if it's like this, it's like hard, like that, it's working. Like other slimes. It just takes long to mix. It's already been 11 minutes, so yeah. Now add more. Add more. I'm gonna buy the bigger bottle of this contact solution, which is slash activator for technically for slime. I'm gonna buy the bigger bottle. Probably expensive. This was just $4. But I think, anyways, I think the slime is almost done. I don't know why I'm whispering. Yep, it's almost done. I could tell because it's like coming off from the table. It comes up from the table. I feel like it would be hard to do it on the floor because if it fails, it's gonna be hard cleaning it up. Okay, I'm gonna add some more. It makes it like so easier to play with if you add like a lot of this activator. Just squirt it all over me. Okay, it's working. Don't play with these near beds, shirts, or couches because it can stain. Unless if it's like a leather, then it's okay, I guess. Or like a table, it's fine. The floor, it's fine. I mean, if you can take it out, yeah. Wow. Okay, so ASMR. ASMR. Almost got on the so sticky because it's oops, move the camera. Okay, I'm gonna kind of put it on the table. Oh, that was a workout. It's a good workout. It's so fun to play with. It's messy, but so fun to play with. I don't know what type of slime this is, so if you know what you think this type of slime is, comment down below. Hot sounds like different, and butter slime is kind of the same, I guess, as butter as. I don't know what I'm saying. But this is like also a good. This is like a good toy to play with. Not around kids. You can get it stuck in their hair. Unless they know what they're doing. So much. Okay, maybe another workout, but it's almost done. It's bigger than the other ones, which is, I'm happy. I think the pink one's bigger. I don't know. This is another slime that I made just today. Oh no. Okay, good. It did not stain my table, except for that. Sometimes slime is messy, but I'm not a slime expert, but I do know what I'm doing. Because how would I create it? This. Oh no, it's gonna be a mess. No, I should have put it in here. Oh no. Or is there a cuckoo upstairs? I'm just removing it. I don't think I talked yet. Since like a few minutes ago. I'm doing it again. I'm not talking. You guys need to be entertained. Bro, this sun is so sticky. But so fun to play with. No Chick-fil-A sauce. Chick-fil-A sauce. Bro, I wanna make a McDonald's themed slime. I think it's gonna be yellow. No Chick-fil-A sauce. Chick-fil-A sauce. Bro, I can't remove it. I don't like it. I don't like. This is what I don't like about slime. It stings. It stuns. Oops. Gonna wipe it. Add the slime. I'll clean it later. I have a bunch of slime. I'm not gonna collect or make. Oops, I might have added that. I think I added. Why is it wet? Is it because of the water? Okay, I already knew it. I already knew I added activator inside. It needed some activator. Gotta play it for a while in order for not to be sticky. Sticky. I'll just say sticky. Okay. Sticky, 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 sticky. Yeah, I'm saying that bad. Yeah. I don't know how to run. There's so much and doesn't make sure. Okay. Ooh, this is a nice blue. Oh, I almost got my shirt. Ooh, sorry. Ha ha ha. Bro, my hands are looking so blue. Bro, what just get off me? Am I a smurf? Oh, this looks like a smurf. So I'm a smurf. Oh my god. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know why there's activator coming out because it's not fully closed. Gen Alpha. I'm the Alpha. I'm the leader. I'm the one to. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna have a good snack after this. Because I'm hungry. But this is so good. This is all the sounds I made. Oops. Yeah, if I add more activator, it's better. The more the merrier. You know that quote. The more the merrier. I don't know. We don't know if it's even a quote. Like Slider. But it's a good quote. If it's like I said, if it's even a quote. These are all the sounds I made in the past or in the future. I'll clean up. Okay. So this is the first one that I made. Not this one. Wait, I'm removing the excess of it. Bro, I need more activator. Okay, done. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side. Wait, let me finish mixing. 4 years now, living. Bro, look at my hands. They're full on. Like, okay, so this is the first one that I made. This, it's in the ice cream jar because I finished ice cream. I was gonna save it for slime. This is the first one. It's not that It's not that stretchy, but it does make good pops. This is like a birthday cake one. It does make good pops, but it doesn't stretch out too much. Like, it just breaks apart. But I like this one because it pops really well. This is my third favorite. For my second one that I made was this, the green one. Oops. I think it's stuck. I don't know. I'll just put it out like this way, so it's easier. This is the other one that I made. Oh, my hands are so tired. Content creator mode. Go. Okay, so this is the other slime I made. It's really soft. It's in this video, but like it's like nicely made. You know? Like, look at it, and it's sparkly. So nice. Oh, I'm gonna put some activator just left over in the corner. There. I like this one. It's stretchy than my third favorite. This is my second favorite. You know what's coming next. This one's probably my first favorite. And this is the third one I made. Yeah. I could also make slime. Probably gonna make more slime videos. I don't know. This is the blue one I made that made my hands blue and my nails blue. This is so caca-boom. Caca-boom. This one's really nice. It makes good bubbles, and listen to this. Makes good crunches, but it's kind of sticky. Karma's a I should've known better. No Chick-fil-A sauce? Chick-fil-A sauce? Comment how many times you've heard that. Chick-fil-A sauce. Chick-fil-A sauce. Chick-fil-A sauce. How much times did I say it? I forgot. Chick-fil-A sauce. Chocolate no lemonade. Alright. Oh, I just forgot more people could watch this. Okay. Dang, I've been making this video for about 30 minutes. This is my first favorite because it's blue and it's like shimmery because of the lighting. But like, it's really nice, but it's kind of sticky, so I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. It's really nice though. It's like cotton candy vibe. Now I want cotton candy. Hi. But I did a time lapse on the video, so yeah. I know this is gonna be the second time video because the first one was making the screen one. I didn't time lapse this one and made a video of it because that was the time that my activator arrived from Amazon, so yeah. But you can order it from Amazon too. It's called BioTrue. This is what it's called. This is what it looks like. Just search up eye contacts. Bye. Okay, sorry about that. I had a quick break. Just listen to this ASMR, like, it's so bad. Okay, listen. Hope you can hear it though. ASMR session. This cotton candy. This is blue raspberry. This is skyfall blue raspberry. So nice. Okay. Then it's my green one. I'm gonna leave in this book. Oh, good time. Can you make that thing? Oh, I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna grab a pen, BRB.